make this a short Toolie Tuesday video because, I don't know, I'm not really doing tools. It's freezing and my hands are cold. So I'm going to show you something I got. That's basically a tool that I think everybody they're getting more expensive. So here, I'll show you. Let's bend this down here like so. Can you see that? Come on, light. Hey, my light's not working. There we go. My phone is crooked here. Okay, folks. I picked up some of these. Everybody knows what these are, right? These are wire brushes. I got them locally because, believe it or not, the local place had these for $1.95. I see it's Tool Tech. I don't know who the hell makes them. They're all made in, let me guess. Oh, fabric. Oh, China. Yeah. You know, that bad country. It's doing all those bad things that makes really good stuff that we need and whatever. So anyway, these were like $1.95 and these were, I don't know, under whatever. I mean, I could order them from China, but they were a decent price and locally sourced. And I find everywhere else I go, like one brush is like $3. These things, I've seen these ones somewhere else for almost $4 each. I think the whole pack was less than $4. So I picked up a bunch of them. I don't need a power tool to get them open. I got the little, this is the plastic one here. Plastic, I guess this is stainless and brass. Pretty good. These got a nice handle. I could brush my teeth with it if I want. I could use this one to brush my teeth. It's nylon. I guess it's got a little thing to put a name on there. They're pretty sturdy. Watch me break it. These ones look like your standard run-of-the-mill straight out of over there. They're the standard black ones. It's brass. I don't really know what the hell the difference is other than a few more bristles here on it. Tighter, a little skinnier, less little. These ones got horns on them. They're pretty cheap. I go through them and I destroy them faster than I can get them. So I figured, you know what? Stuff like this never seems to go down in price. Unless I order from China, but apparently China's going up because there's a funny ass tariff war going on. So I got these. Get this out of the way here. Better close the knife before I lose a finger. And what am I using them for? Pretty much everything. Anywhere from ear cleaners, nose cleaners, engine cleaner, carburetor, scratchy, all the good things. So with that said, the reason why I picked them up because they're useful. And I even keep my the old toothbrushes, my kids, because my kids like drop them on the floor and like, oh my god, it's terrible, like, you know. So I keep those because every time I'm cleaning something around at my house, like you want to use an old brush just for cleaning, I don't know, whatever. Just use an old toothbrush. Doesn't matter how much plaque is on it. With that said, this is my Toolie Tuesday thing. It's not very interesting, but you know, you gotta keep them tidy whiteys or pearly whites nice and clean. So you can pick your nose with it too if you want. I see. Ooh, scratch your head. Scratch, whatever. You can comb your hair. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Gotta keep those eyebrows intact. Anyway, like, subscribe, and I don't know. Do what you gotta do. Hope you like my next video. Thanks for watching.